It's August 1st, and this morning in our devotional, it says more than just a ring. So let's see what it's talking about, what God's Word's talking about. Romans chapter 12, verse 10. Love each other with genuine affection and take delight in honoring each other. 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4 through 7. Love is patient, love is kind. Love, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Ephesians chapter 5, verse 33. Each one of you also must love his wife as he loves himself, and the wife must respect her husband. 1 Peter chapter 3, verse 8 through 9. Be like-minded. Be sympathetic. I'm probably not saying that right. Love one another. Be compassionate. Be humble. Do not repay evil with evil or insult with insult. On the contrary, repay evil with a blessing, because to this you were called, so that you may inherit a blessing. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 4. Let marriage be held in honor among all, and let the marriage bed be undefiled. 1 Corinthians chapter 7, verse 14. The Christian wife brings holiness to her marriage, and the Christian husband brings holiness to his marriage. Otherwise, your children would not be holy, but now they are holy. And at the bottom, it says, for better or worse has changed to outwit and outlast in marriages these days. Instead of the husband and wife living together in perfect unity, where they complement each other and become stronger together, it has become a competition. Marriage is a godly institute, a flame lit by God that starts with butterflies in your stomach and stares in your eyes. Pray together. Otherwise, you leave your marriage open to attack by the devil. Marital bliss starts with a choice. Choose happiness and love. And that is a very good devotional this morning, because I needed it. I needed it. We have troubles and trials and things that come up in life. And just because a situation comes up that disrupts the family life, there's no need to take it out on the other spouse. And a lot of people do. But I know, we just need to take God's words to heart. And I know my last few recordings have been pre-recorded, but not today, because we've been going through some things here at home. So, but I love you all, and take God's words to heart on how you're to treat your spouse, and you should be able to talk things out and not be easily angered. So, but that's all I'm going to say on that. Short and sweet this morning, and I love you guys. I will be doing these every morning again. I pre-recorded the last 4, that went out the last 4 days because of situations in my own family. But I love you guys, and I am back. And probably won't be recording a study group this week, but next week, I promise, Lord willing, I will be back recording study groups for you guys. Just a lot of things been happening the last few days, but I love you guys very much. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. The link is in the description. And if I don't see you in the next video, I do hope very soon I see you in heaven. Love you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.